across his face. His name is Calhoun. Remember that because rhymes with baboon.
But I'm not too good at remembering names, Billy Bob.
Well, Calhoun's a nice guy. He gave me a fishing line right out of his tackle box for my guitar. You know, people really takes a shine to you if you take the time to remember their names, Looney.
Really?
Well, I got this thing about as close to being in tune as it's going to get, Looney. What do you say we do a song?
No, I gotta go out and figure out some super demo procedure to remember people's names.
Well, I can help you with that, Looney. The system I like best is called word association. And that's where you remember somebody's name by thinking of something that reminds you of their name. Well, give me a name. I'll show you how it works.
Okay, here's a hard one. Art Garfunkel. He'll never get that.
Well, it's not hard. You see, first is art, and that's like music. And music is a beautiful sound. And Garfunkel, well, that reminds me of another beautiful sound.
What's that?
Yes, my tennis shoes drying in the dryer. Garfunkel, Garfunkel, Garfunkel.
Yeah, I don't think your system will work for me, Billy Bob.
Well, why not?
My tennis shoes are permanent press.
Well, why don't you try rhyming the name and make a game out of it?
Oh, I love games.
Well, great. Here, let's call the guys out here and we'll show you how it's done. Hey, come on, Fats, Bitsy, Beach Bear, Duke. Let's play the name game.
All right, we're there. Come on, everybody, get your hands together. Come on, clap both hands and make some more noise.
Come on, everybody. Let's settle this big game. I bet you I can make it proud. I'm a bit of my name. First letter of the name. I treat it like it wasn't there. By the B or the F. Over there with the PM. And then I say more than a B. And the name is a damn man. Then I say you need to get it. And I'll never say it's a B.
All you gotta do is say, okay, Billy Bob, you can have the point.
Sounds all American.
time, and we're sitting across the dinner table together, and there's a turkey on the platter, and there's just one big old turkey leg left, and I kind of want it. Are you gonna let me have it, or are you gonna want it?
Well, Billy Bob, I'll tell you what, good old buddy.